Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Now we'll start tutorial for Canvas. You can direct access through this link, canvas.instructure.com/login, or you can use Google to search for Canvas. In this login screen, you can create your own account here. It's free. Or you can use social media accounts to log in through Canvas. Now I'm using the LinkedIn account to log in with Canvas. Okay, and it shows the course that I already created, but let's give you a brief on the account section. It contains notification, profile, files, settings, e-portfolio, and shared content. I will show you also notification. You can customize the notification to receive notification right away if you select this option, or you can let Canvas to send daily summary if you select this option, or weekly summary if you select this option, or do not disturb, or let Canvas do not send anything. Okay, you can customize for all these sections: discussion, conversation, scheduling. It's about notification, and you can create or update or upload your picture for your profile and some biography. Here you can use your own files. It's a local storage or cloud storage for 52 mega. You can upload your own files, and then you can use the e-portfolio. You can create e-portfolio or share content or settings. Now we will go directly to the dashboard. In the dashboard, I already created a course. Its name is Angular TypeScript. And if you look at this announcement, assignment, and discussion, and files, here is the options that I enabled in this course. Okay, and I will show you. I will click on it. Now I already created a course overview and publish it, and I create the week 1 with the objective and the video related to the week 1. I will show you the course overview here. You can, in the course overview, to edit if you want to edit something else. Here it's HTML editor. You can create your own data, you can set text, you can create media, or you can create video or upload video. Okay, now I will be back to the course again. Okay, and the structure of the week 1, it's objective and outcomes. I will show you. And we will start to create another week. The week objective and outcomes, the key concepts here. And what contains the week 1? It contains a video for Welcome to Front-End JavaScript, another video how to use the earned resources, and the third one, it's a reading Welcome to Front-End JavaScript. And of course, the minutes you have to watch the video or to read the reading. Okay, now we will pass to another. Let's say you will go to the video front-end JavaScript. It's a page I already built, so you can here watch the video and the TypeScripts will be below. Okay, now I will go to the Angular course. Here we will start to create another module. Let's say here plus module. We will call it week 2, and I can lock until to set a date to lock the module, and I will add the prerequisite. The week 1 will be the prerequisite for the week 2, and I add the module. Okay, here you can publish and unpublish this version. Now I can add a new page. Of course, we can add a new page because we have to create a new section. Let's say develop a new website, and I click on add item. Here we can add the website and increase the identity to show the difference between them. Now I click on develop a new website, and I can add it. And of course, in this editor I can write my own here. You can write how to develop new website, or we can attach video. We can attach video or audio or images. and after that I will click on save. Okay, now we'll go to the Angular. So it's a week 2 created and developed a new website, and now we can publish this page and publish this module. I click continue, and in this page I can create, in this module, sorry, I can create assignment, I can create quiz, file, a discussion, an external URL through YouTube or any other external URL, and external tool. So his brief on Canvas. Hope it's very clear. Thank you.